迪克逊片语 English Morphological Chinese English _as Chinese _as A cake of an 一块的 A kind of an 一种的，可算是 Above all and 最重要的，特别是，尤其是 According to and 根据，依照，由于，是，而定 All at once and 突然间 All day long and 整天，终日 All in all and 一般而言 All of a sudden and 突然的 All right and 很好，没问题的 As a matter of fact and 事实上 As for and 至于，关于 As if and 就像，一样As soon as and 依旧 As to and 关于，至于 As usual and 照常，照例，一向 As yet and 到目前为止 At all and 全然 At first and 起初 At last and 最后，终于，到底 At least and 至少At once and 立刻 At time and 偶尔 Back and forth and 来回的 Back out and 食言，背信 Back up and 倒车，支持，辩护，拥护 Be, get, carried away and 深受影响，失去理智 Be a steal and 便宜卖，廉价购得之物Be about to and 正要 Be better off and 景况较好的 Be bound to and 一定，必须，决心 Be cut out for and 有，天分 Be cut out to be and 被设计为 Be engaged in and 从事于 Be good at and 擅长于 Be in charge of and 看管，负责，主持 Be into and 对，有兴趣，特别是时尚或研究 Be named after and 以之名而命名 Be out of the question and 不可能的 Be over and 完毕 Be run out and 因语取消或延期Be set to do something and 准备做某事 Be taken in and 受骗，接受，领悟，倾听 Be up and 时间到了 Be up to something and 计划，图谋，策划 Be up to one and 由，来决定 Be used to and 习惯于Be well off and 富有的 Bear in mind and 记住 Beat around the bush and 拐弯抹角 Become of and 降临于 Believe in and 相信的存在，信赖，信仰 Bite off and 咬断 Blow away and 吹走 Blow down and 吹倒Blow off and 吹掉 Blow out and 爆炸，爆裂 Blow up and 炸毁，爆炸 Break away and 逃离 Break down and 打倒，抛锚 Break in and 打岔，强行闯入，适应，训练新进人员 Break into and 硬闯，突然发出，潜入Break loose and 脱出，逃脱，活跃，溜走 Break off and 折断 Break out and 突然发生，逃脱，张开 Break through and 突破 Break up and 击碎 Bring about and 引起 Bring back and 归还 Take back Bring out and 出版，生产，查出，拿出，阐释说明 Bring up and 抚养，养育，提出， 突然停止。build up and 增加，凝集，创建。burn down and 烧毁。burn out and 电器烧毁。burn up and 焚化，烧光。burst out crying and 突然大哭。burst out laughing and 突然大笑。buy out and 买下，买走生意权，买断。buy up and 全部买进，全部买进。by heart and 默记的。by oneself and 独自的。by the way and 顺便一提。call down and 谴责。call for and 去接某人，需要，召唤。call off and 取消，换走，命令，离开。call on and 拜访。call up and 打电话给。care for and 喜欢。carry out and 实行，外带，食物。catch cold and 着凉，感冒。catch fire and 着火，失火。catch on and 明白，了解，流行。check on and 核对，检查。check up and 核对，检查。check up on and 核对，检查。chew off and 嚼碎。chew up and 咬碎，碾碎。chop up and 剁碎。clean off and 一文不名，清理，整理。clean out and 清理，一文不名，整理。clean up and 清除。clear up and 放晴，澄清，清理。come about and 发生，风向起变化，到达。come across and 偶尔遇见，不期而遇，交付。come from and 来自，出生于。come to and 苏醒，总计，到达，停止。come to an end and 结束，停止，用尽。come true and 实现，猜中，成真。count on and 依赖。cross out and 删除，勾销。cut in and 插嘴，妨碍，打断，交换舞伴。cut off and 剪掉。cut out and 切除，终止，剪下。cut short and 缩短，打断，删短。cut up and 切碎。day after day and 天天，日复一日。day in and day out and 天天，日复一日。die out and 解决，渐消失，完全停止。do or go without and 不需要，用不着，放弃。do over and 重做，粉刷，改造。do with and 处理，与某人相处。draw up and 拟定，停止，起草。dress up and 盛装。drive up to and 开道，走道。drop someone a line and 写信给某人。drop in and 顺便拜访，突然拜访。drop in and 顺道拜访。drop in on and 顺便拜访，突然拜访。drop out and 退出，遗失，消失。dry out and 逐渐变干。dry up and 干涸，晒干，停止说话，忘台词或动作。eat in and 在家吃饭。eat out and 在外吃饭。eat up and 吃光。either A or B and 不是 A 就是 B。every now and then and 时常。fade away and 逐渐消失。fall behind and 落后，跟不上。fall off and 减少，从，掉下来。fall through and 无法实现，终成泡影。find fault with and 吹毛求疵。 fool around and 嬉戏，虚度光阴。For good and 永远的。For sell and 出售。For sure and 确定的。For the time being and 暂时。Fringe benefit and 特别福利。Get one's own way and 为所欲为。Get along with and 与和睦相处，胡说以过日子。Get away with and 离开，逃避惩罚。Get even with and 报仇，向报复。Get off and 下车，脱下，送走，脱手。Get on and 达成。Get on one's nerves and 令紧张。Get rid of and 除去，摆脱。Get stuck and 被骗，受之累，负之责，陷住。Get the better of and 占上风，胜过。Get through and 完成。Give birth to and 生孩子，生产。Give in and 投降，交出，支持不住。Give off and 放出，送出，产生。Give out and 分发，终止，用完，发表，公布。Go around and 足够分配。Go in for and 参加，爱好。Go off and 爆炸，终止，失去知觉，品质变坏。Go off the deep end and 草率行事，仓促地做事。Go out and 离开，退休，熄灭，结束。Go through and 经过，实现，忍受，完成，受完，参加。Go up to and 开道，走道。Go with and 配合，同意，和，在一起，和，为伴。Go without saying and 不用说，不代言。Goof off and 代职，工作不利。Grow out of and 戒掉，抛弃。Hand in and 讲交，在适时机提出。Hand off and 挂上，拖延，终止，抵押，妨碍。Hard of hearing and 重听。Have one's heart set on and 渴望，倾心于，下决心。Have one's way and 为所欲为。Have something, going for one and 做，顺利成功。Have to do with and 与，有关。Have got and 持有，具有，得到。Have it in for and 对，怀恨在心，怨恨。Have it out with and 与，争吵，与，对抗。Have on and 穿戴，约会，计划，欺骗。Have two strikes against one and 处于危险，不利，状态。Hold off and 延迟，延缓，疏远，抵抗。Hold on and 暂停，等待，支持。Hold out and 持续，抵抗，继续供应。Hold still and 保持静止，不动。Hold up and 持枪抢劫，延误，支持。In the one's way and 挡路。In time and 及时，早晚，终将。就近。In vain and 无用。In want of and 需要。Inside out and 里外倒反。It stands to reason and 理所当然，得当。Keep an eye on and 注意，留意，监视。Keep house and 成家立业，管理家务。Keep out and 勿近，远离。Keep off, keep away from。Keep track of and 记载，接触，与，保持联系。Keep up and 保持速度或水准。 keep up with an 与并驾齐驱，继续摆开，赶上时。knock out an 击昏，敲出，停止机能。know by sight an 认得，对某人仅是熟面孔。land on one s feet an 安然度过难关。lay off and 脱掉，暂时解雇，停止工作。let someone or something alone and 避开，听任。let alone and 更不必说，遑论。let go and 解雇，松开，释放。let on and 泄露秘密，透露。let up and 减弱，停止，松弛。lie down and 盲从，躺卧。little by little and 渐渐的，一点一点的。live up to and 达到，实行，一，过活。look after and 看守，照料，目送，挂念。look down on and 轻视。look into and 调查。look out and 注意。look out on and 面对，俯视。look over and 检查，忽略，浏览一下。look up to and 尊重。lose one s touch and 失宠于，马失前蹄。make a point of 加 in and 必定，重视，经常，照例。make believe and 假装。make clear and 解释，弄清楚。make do and 将就。make faces and 扮鬼脸。make fun of and 取笑，嘲笑。make good and 成功，赔偿，反对。达到目的。make good time and 快速旅行。make no any difference and 无关紧要。make out and 成功，了解，进展。make over and 翻新，改制，转让，慈爱。make room for and 腾出空位。make sense and 有意义，懂。make sure and 确信，查明某事。make the best of and 充分利用，手法知足。make up and 补偿，和好，捏造，化妆。make up one s mind and 下定决心，断定，认为。meet someone halfway and 妥协。mix up and 使糊涂，混淆，迷惑。be tilde, get tilde. know so much as and 连都不会做。not always and 不一定。not at all and 一点也不。nothing the matter and 没有出差错。now and then and 有时候，偶尔。off and on and 偶尔，断断续续。on purpose and 故意的。on the whole and 大致，总之，整体来看。once and for all and 断然的，只有一次以后不再。once in a while and 偶尔，有时候。out of and 出自于。out of date and 过时的，不流行。out of order and 故障，混乱，违反程序。over and over and 再三的。pass out and 死去，失去知觉，分配。pay attention and 注意，重视。pick out and 选择，决出，分辨出，了解。pick up and 拾起，捡起。play tricks on and 开的玩笑。play up to and 巴结，谄媚。point out and 指出。pull off and 成功于，赢得某物。put someone on and 欺骗，假装，装腔作势。put an end to and 结束，终止。 Put away and 收起来，储蓄，吃光，离婚，放弃。Put down and 镇压，制止，放下。Put off and 延期，脱掉。Put on and 穿戴，假装，增加。Put on weight and 体重增加，使快。Put out and 熄灭，扑灭。Put up and 提出，升起，新建，包装。Put up with and 忍受。Read over and 浏览。Rule out and 不按规定，拒绝承认。Run away and 离家出走，私奔，逃跑。Run into, run across and 不期而遇，陷入，与，相撞。Run out of and 用光，缺乏。Run over and 碾过，溢出。Run up to and 开道，走道。Screw up and 弄坏，盯住，搞乱，占据，鼓起勇气。See somebody off and 给某人送行，送别。See about and 注意，对，加以考虑。Sell out and 售光，清理，背叛。Serve one right and 活该，罪有应得。Set fire to and 放火烧，使兴奋， set on fire。Set out and 启程，开始，动身。Shake hands and 握手。Show off and 炫耀。Show up and 出现，出席，揭发。Shut off and 关掉，遮蔽。Shut up and 关闭，密封，住嘴，打烊。Sit down and 定居，坐下，滑倒。Sit in and 参加，在，地表抗议。Something the matter and 某事物出毛病。Stand a chance and 有希望，有可能。Stand for and 代表，容忍，支持。Stand out and 显著，抵抗，杰出。Stand up and 耐用，耐穿，失约，酒后。Stand up for and 维护，坚持。Stay in and 在家。Stay out and 外出。Stay up and 熬夜。Step down and 退休，下台，从，走下去。Stick someone and 欺骗，忍受，放置，伸出。Stick to and 坚持，依附。终于。Stick up and 抢劫，伸出，竖起，露出， stick out。Stir up and 引起，鼓动，激起，搅拌。Take a seat and 坐下。Take someone by surprise and 使惊讶。Take someone for and 把某人认作。Take something for granted and 认为，为当然。Take something up with someone and 和某人讨论某事。Take a look at and 看一看。Take advantage of and 利用机会，欺骗。Take after and 长得像，与，相像，追逐，模仿。Take apart and 拆卸。Take care of and 照顾。Take down and 移走，拿下来，速记下来，压下。Take hold of and 握住。Take into account and 考虑。Take off and 起飞，脱下，带走，取走，引进，灭除。Take on and 雇佣，从事，承担，比赛，悲痛。Take one as time and 慢慢来。Take out and 取出，陪伴，订契约，使虚弱。Take over and 接管，欺骗，运送。Take pains and 小心做事，尽力。 take part in and 参加 take pity on and 同情 take place and 举行发生 take turns and 轮流 take up and 开始学习拾取吸收转情 talk over and 商议 taste of and 有味道文学用语知道体验 peer down and 拆毁 peer off and 撕开 peer up and 撕碎挖掘连根拔起 tell two things or two people apart and 识别分辨 tell one from the other and 识别分辨 tell time and 报时 think of and 认为考虑想念think over and 仔细考虑 think up and 想出发现发明 throw away and 丢掉 throw out and 拒绝逐出解雇说出 throw up and 呕吐放弃辞职 tie up and 绑紧 tired out and 非常疲倦使精疲力尽To call and 打电话给 To save one as breath and 百倍唇舌 To stay in touch with and 和取得联系 Try out and 彻底实验 Turn around and 掉头转向 Turn down and 拒绝折回 Turn off and 关掉停止Turn on and 打开扭开 Turn out and 变成产生实现逐出证明 Turn over and 翻转移交考虑 Up to and 直到 Up to date and 现代的实心的 Upside down and 上下颠倒 Used to and 一向惯于Wait for and 等候期望 Wait on and 伺候 Wait up for and 熬夜等候 Walk up to and 开道走道 Waste one as breath and 百倍唇舌 Watch out for and 注意监视 Wake up and 振作起来醒来鼓舞Wear down and 磨掉穿破磨损 Wear away wear through Wear off and 逐渐消失磨损 Wear out and 穿破磨损 What with and 因为 Who as who and 谁是谁 Work out and 进展设计结果变成解决 Would like to do and 想要Would rather and 宁愿